Legendary Marketer has discontinued their 15-day Business Builder Challenge and replaced it with a brand new 5-day Learn, Launch and Lead Challenge. And this is going to be a full review and behind the scenes look at this brand new course that aims to help anyone looking to start an online business. Hey guys, Chad here from Purely Remote, the channel that brings you all the tips, tools and resources for you to start and grow a successful online business. Now, I first joined Legendary Marketer back in 2021 when I first started my business. And this clip right here was from an interview that I was invited to do a few months ago with Dave Sharp, the CEO of Legendary Marketer, where I was able to share my experience and how I've been able to make things work using everything that I've learned from them. Now, it is a bit of a long watch, but I will leave the video up here if you are interested in checking it out. I can honestly say that their products and what I've learned from their courses have really helped me to grow my business and get it to a point where I am able to do this online thing full time, and then also be able to work with other people and share my knowledge and experience with them to help them grow their businesses as well. And as Legendary Marketer grew, it just so turned out that it started to be perceived as only being a course for someone who wants to do affiliate marketing, which is not the case at all. They actually teach the principles of building an online business using the core 4 business models, which are online courses, coaching, live masterminds and events, and affiliate marketing. So basically, these are the 4 ways that you can sell information online. And so if you have or want to start a business within any one of these categories, then you'd probably find this particular course or this challenge helpful. And before we go behind the curtain, just a couple of things that I've noticed and that I really like about how they've put this new challenge together. The first is that the production value of the course is really good. You can tell right off the bat that you are getting something that is of good quality and that is really well thought out. Secondly is that the way the information is delivered is easy to understand, easy to digest, and also easy to implement in your business. And then thirdly is that you are no longer forced to book a call with a business advisor. Now, if you're not too sure what that means exactly, let me explain. When you join the course, this will be the first thing that you'll see. So on the left, it says start here, and these are the 2 options that you have. Now, the first option is advisor-led. So in the previous 15-day Business Builder Challenge, you would go through the course, and at a certain point, you would not be able to access any more of the lessons unless you booked a call with an advisor. And even though this is the most popular option, you do have an alternative, which is the self-led learning experience. And with option 2, you basically are choosing to go ahead and go through the challenge without having an advisor to ask questions along the way. And so the challenge will unlock as you complete each day. And since we are here, let's take a look at the actual course. Now, in day 1, this is your introduction to digital marketing. And in this module, you're going to learn more about those core 4 business models that I just spoke about. You're going to learn about different niches. Then you also have some assignments that you can complete, highly recommended as well. Over here is a daily interview show that Dave hosts with members of Legendary Marketer. That is the interview that I mentioned earlier in the video. And you can basically join the Facebook group and watch these live every single morning so that you can learn from other people and find out what they are doing to find success as well. And then an additional training within day 1 is the introduction to sales funnels. Now, without getting too technical, your sales funnel is basically your miniature version of a website that gets people in and gets them to a particular product that you're selling. And Legendary Marketer uses a software called ClickFunnels to build their sales funnel. So a bonus that you get within your day 1 are these 4 links over here. If you do choose to go with ClickFunnels as your funnel builder, then you can simply click on these and it is essentially a done for you funnel that's ready to go. And under assignment 6 is a recommendation about an email autoresponder, because when you have any online business, your email list and your email marketing plays a big part in that. So they use Aweber. Personally, I use a completely different software for my business because I just feel it's better to have everything in one place than to have a bunch of different things and trying to connect them all. If you do want to check out a video review that I made for that software, I'll link it in the description of this video as well. And then as you go through the course, you will still have the option to schedule a call with a business plan advisor as well. So it doesn't mean that if you chose the self-led option, you kind of lose out on that opportunity. Throughout the course, you'll still have the opportunity to book a call with them. Day 2 or launch is focused on content creation, and basically this is how you're going to market your business, using social media and creating short form videos on different social media platforms. Now, what's really cool about it is that they do also cover how to create faceless content for your business, so that if you're kind of hesitant about getting in front of the camera, that is definitely at least a way for you to get started until you feel more comfortable. Day 3 is lead with confidence, and in this lesson what you'll learn more about is something called edutainment, which is a combination of education and entertainment. And this is important because when you are creating content, it needs to be be educational, offer value, teach people something they don't know, but it also needs to be entertaining so that it's engaging so they can keep watching your videos and then take the necessary action if they want to learn a little bit more. And another thing that you learn in day 3 is something called hook, story, offer, which is basically the format of how your videos are going to be. How to structure your videos so that they can be as effective as possible. And in day 3, you also get a list of 50 free hooks that you can use in your videos. So just to put into perspective what your hook is, it's those first 2 seconds that you'll see on any TikTok video or an Instagram reel. And essentially those first 2 seconds of your videos are the most critical because it's going to determine whether someone makes the decision to keep watching your video or keep scrolling. So you want to have strong hooks, and in this course you actually get 50 free hooks that you can use, and I've been through the list. They are really good. And day 4 is entrepreneur mindset, and I think that this is possibly the most important factor when it comes to building any type of business. You need to have the right mindset. What I believe is that it's 80% mindset and then 20% skill set or knowledge or stuff that you know. When you're building a business, it's not all going to be sunshine and rainbows. There's going to be ups, there's going to be downs, and you need a strong mindset to keep you resilient so that you can persevere through those tough times and eventually reach that point where your business is as successful as you want it to be. In fact, when I start working with any of my clients, mindset is literally the first thing that we get into. And then within day 4, there are a couple of things to help support you along your way. The first thing is this clarity process questionnaire, and I recommend you do all of these things. If there's any type of form that you need to fill in, do it, because in this case, this clarity process questionnaire is going to help you because you can't reach a target that you can't see. And the quickest way to get to that target is to have a clear path on how you're going to get there. Then they've also got a book recommendation, Rich Dad Poor Dad. If you haven't heard about it, super popular book about how to work with money and how to make your money essentially work for you. So if you want to pick that up, you can actually buy that right out of the course as well. All right, and then we have day 5. Now day 5 is your business plan class, and this video that is in the course itself is not the actual training video. This is just an introduction of what the business plan class is. In order to access your actual business plan class, you'll click on begin class, it'll open up a new page, and this is the actual training video right over here. So you've got an option to download your business plan template or view example business plans as well. And in this training, you're not only going to learn about how to put a business plan together, but you're also going to learn more about how you can register your company as an LLC, more into the business or administration side of things. And then from this training, you've got the option, if you do want to upgrade, to their higher ticket program, which is their business blueprints. And to be upfront about it, their business blueprints package is $2,500. So you essentially get a whole lot of in-depth training with this business blueprints package. So inside the business blueprints, you essentially get 4 different blueprint courses, right? You've got the affiliate marketing, the digital courses blueprint, coaching and consulting, events, and mastermind. So these are the core 4 business models, and you're getting a course that covers each of them in depth. And then along with that, you also get a few other bonuses and extras as well. Some really cool stuff. And if you are planning to use what you learn in this challenge to start an affiliate marketing business, specifically within the online business education space, then you can become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer, which basically means that you promote Legendary Marketer's products and then earn a commission for every sale that you get. But again, the course and the challenge itself is not only for affiliate marketers. And let's get into the pricing. So previously, the 15-day challenge was $7 to join. Now with this new program, the 5-day challenge, it is $5 to join, which is essentially $1 for every single day. Not too bad to learn the foundations of starting an online business. And then you get everything that I just showed you. So all the exclusive bonuses like the top converting funnel sales templates, the bridge page video script. A lot of these might not make sense if you are brand new, but it will make sense as you go through the course and you'll see how valuable these bonuses actually are. Then you've also got some Facebook ad templates, some bonuses on short form content, a customized business plan, and then the personal one-on-one with your business plan advisor. And if you do want to pick it up and join the challenge, I will leave a link to it in the description of this video. And if you do use my link, there is an additional bonus that you do get along with it, over and above all of the others that you receive from Legendary Marketer, and that is a one-on-one free strategy call. And on that call, I'll share my strategy and approach with you that took me over a year to figure out and put together so that you can hit the ground running and keep that momentum without having to figure things out on your own after you finish the challenge. Now, honestly, this 5-day challenge is a great course to get all of the foundational knowledge. And as I mentioned previously in the video, that there are options if you do want to join a higher ticket program to go deeper with your learning. But you absolutely have to buy the high ticket product if you want to start making any sort of progress? No. To be honest, you can find all of this information online, but there's so much content out there that it is really hard and time consuming to sift through everything and figure out what is actually accurate and what's not. So basically, what you're getting when you are investing in the higher ticket program, if you do go that route, is that you'll essentially be saving yourself hundreds of hours of researching and trying to find your own way online. Along with all of the additional support and resources, that time you save is really one of the biggest benefits of getting the higher ticket program. And even though the previous version of this challenge was really good, I found that it was structured in a way that forced you to slow down, which is definitely not something that you want to do, especially when you want to just get things going and get things started with your business. So now that they've removed all of that additional fluff, the entire learning experience has been changed for the better. And it may not feel like a big deal to some, but if you do become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer, it's good to know that they are heavily focused on compliance. So the very first thing that you do when you become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer is you have to go through and sign off on a compliance training that's about 2 hours long, and every single affiliate needs to do this. And it's good to know these things because you'd like to grow a business that has some great success, and then because you're not compliant, you either get sued or you get hit with some hefty fines. That's definitely not a position that you want to be in. So it's great that you know this knowledge right off the bat from the very beginning, so you save yourself from landing in any hot water. And if you do want to join the new 5-day challenge, you can always check it out through the link in the description of this video. And if you found this review useful and informative, I would highly appreciate it if you could leave the video a thumbs up. Also, if you've got any questions about this course or this program, feel free to drop them in the comments. And remember, if you want to stay up to date with all of the latest content from this channel, hit the subscribe button and enable the notifications so that you will know the very minute I upload a new video to the channel. Stay bold, stay driven, stay unstoppable.